call.
Hello?
Booty call.
Ho, ho, ho! Do you know who this is?
Is this Santa Claus? You know what I want for Christmas? I want a big boat so I can go on the river.
No. This year, you're getting a lump of coal. What do you want for Christmas this year?
I don't know.
This
Peace
year,
on earth,
you're getting a lump of coal.
What the what?
Ho, ho, ho! Have you been naughty or nice?
I'm talking to fucking Santa Claus. Shut the fuck up. I've been nice-ish and nice-ish.
No. Santa's
Yes.
watching you. That's why I'm calling.
Hey, don't judge, man. I've been nice-ish. That's what I'm
Better
saying.
not pout. You better not cry.
I'm not crying.
My, how you've grown.
What? How? What?
Have you been out shopping yet?
Yeah, a little bit shopping. A little bit.
Excuse me?
A little bit. I've been waiting for you to bring the presents, man. Come on, got a few days here.
Yes.
9 more
Better get
days
something
of
special for
drinking
the one
till
you
Christmas.
love. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Hey.
Ho, ho, ho. They are predicting snow for Christmas.
What? What for Christmas?
They are predicting snow for Christmas.
Snow? They're rather what Christmas?
Yes.
Hang on, wait. You got another buddy here who wants to talk to Santa Claus. Hello. You still there, Santa?
Yes.
All right. Here, talk to Santa. You fucking Santa Claus, fucking talk to it. Just Conrad, talk to Santa Claus.
Are you coming inside?
Come
Hello?
inside just as soon as you talk to Santa Claus.
Hello.
Santa, hold on a sec. I've got a non-believer here, Santa. Hold on.
That tells me whoever the girl is on the phone is not going to keep dealing with your shit.
It is Santa Claus. It's not a girl. That's why I'm talking.
If it's a dude, it's just weird. If there's a dude on the other end of that phone waiting on you.
Santa, we got a non-believer here, Santa.
No.
You there, Santa?
You there?
Yes.
Hold on.
Are you there?
It's Santa Claus.
Yes.
Santa, I don't know what to say, man.
Excuse
I got a
me?
non-believer here. What are you gonna like? What are you gonna put? All right, you tell me what you're gonna put in his Christmas stock or something.
You're getting a lump of coal.
A lump of dude, you're getting a lump of coal. Fucking plain and simple. Plain and simple. Non-believer.
Where's the fucking quarter on? Yeah.
I did not.
He's talking to the operator.
Santa, hang on.
Yes.
Hang on a second.
Operator.
Santa fucking Claus!
Who is it?
Come here, Debbie.
Hello?
Ho, ho, ho. Have you been a good little boy?
Oh my
Hello?
God. Did you call? What number did you call?
You haven't written lately. That's why I'm calling.
Phone rang and you picked it up.
What? Hello?
Have you been a good little boy?
Oh, have you been a good little boy? I'm not a boy.
No. What did you want for Christmas this year?
Hello? Here, Mike.
What would you like for Christmas this year?
Hello?
Been a good little boy?
Hello?
Yeah.
Have you been a good little girl?
Who is it? Who is this?
It's Santa Claus.
Santa Claus?
Yes.
So what are you bringing me this year?
This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
A lump of coal?
Yes.
I've been that bad?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. Yes.
I've been that bad?
Yes.
Yeah, but the women tell me I'm not that bad.
Santa's watching you.
Do what?
Santa's watching you.
You better watch me really, really, really close.
Better not pout. You better not cry.
Claus, you're telling me why, right?
Yes.
You want to talk to Debbie?
Yes.
Debbie, he wants to talk to you. He's got some reindeer games to talk to you about. Bye, Santa Claus. Bye-bye.
Yes. Goodbye.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
It's Santa Claus. What do you want for Christmas this year?
I really want a Barbie Princess Castle.
No. You're getting a lump of coal.
That's rude.
Yes. Have you
What
been
did I
a
do to
good
deserve a
little
lump
boy?
of coal?
Santa's watching you.
You've been watching me what? Touch myself?
Yes.
Because that doesn't deserve a lump of coal. I do that
Yes.
really good.
Better not pout. You better not cry.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir?
Yes.
Fuck you.
Excuse me?
I've been a good girl all year, and I deserve a Barbie
No.
Princess Castle.
No.
What do you mean, no?
No.
You don't tell me no. Fuck you.
Excuse me?
No, excuse me. Why are you telling me no? I've been a good girl all year.
No.
What do you
Have
mean,
you
no?
been a
Quit
good
saying
little
no.
boy? Have you
No,
been a
no
good
is not
little
your
boy?
answer.
You better not cry.
No, I don't cry, fucker. I hit.
Better not pout. You
I
better
don't
not
pout
cry.
either because I get my way.
This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
Fuck you.